welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us discuss about the most asked questions in the interviews about the full stack questions. Now let us see about the first question. What is a Node.js and how it is different from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? A Node.js is a server-side technology which is used to run the JavaScript codes, whereas Apache or PHP which handles tasks one by one. Whereas in Node.js we can handle many tasks at a single time. Now it is the question which tells about how the Node.js is being used more than other technologies. Now let us take the second question. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? The callback function, it is a function that after something is done, like after doing like a file making a network request, use them because Node.js can do multiple tasks at once. Callback function help manage these tasks. As Node.js can do multiple tasks at the same time, the callback function is used to manage these tasks. Next, we will go for the third question. What is the purpose of package.js file in a node.js project? Can explain the key properties found in this file. Package.js file, it is a recipe of book for your project. It lists what your project needs to work properly, like the other code libraries which are being used in the project, and some other details like project names, what are the details is to be stored, which is the project, what is the project name, what are the details package.js one. Now let us go to our first question. Explain the differences between require and import statements in Node.js when they were used one over the other. Now let us go into the fourth question. Requires versus import. The both in the code form, the both bring in code from the files. It will take the data from the files. We use require in Node.js for most things, and import is a newer for certain type of files. If you want to import a new file, then it will use. Whereas in Node.js, we will mostly use require by accessing the download the package and accessing through require. Now let us go for the fifth question. What is middleware in the context of express.js? Can you explain of how would you use the middleware express application? Middleware, it is like a helper function for handling web services that can create, read, update and delete data. Means we can create the data here. It is like a helper function. For example, you can use a middleware to check if someone is logged into your page, how many people are being logging and what the data of the page is. Next, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method using RESTful APIs. The RESTful API with Node.js and Express.js, it is a way which they can create, read, update and delete the data. You can use HTTP methods like get, post, put and delete to do these things. What is the purpose of Node.js package manager? How do you use it to manage dependencies on Node.js project? Means how the Node package manager is used to handle the dependencies in Node.js project. It is a tool to manage the code of packages in the Node.js projects. What the code which is taken in the Node.js process is to be managed by Node package manager. You use it to install, update and share code libraries which has been using store the code libraries and installing of them. And why it is important to use hash passwords in a web application? It is like screaming a password into a code can be unscrambled easily. The protects password in case someone gets access to them, making it harder to them to misuse it. Thank you. These are the most asked questions in the interviews about the Node.js, Express.js and the basic backend. Thank you for watching the video.